Hi everyone, in this data we'll be going over the Merge Two Datasets page in the Statistics Calculator app. The Merge Two data can be used to take a simulated data and observed data and combine them based on what the date is. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my observed data. If you want to see an example of how this data should be formatted, we can open up the example time series and you'll see that on the left you need the dates and on the right you need your data. I can also change the units. So with the simulated data, you have the option to either upload a predicted data CSV or you can use the Streamflow prediction tool, which is another Tethys app. So since I already have the data in CSV form, I'm just going to upload that. All the units are in SI. Another option is to apply different time zones. So if the data are in different time zones, I can choose any time zone for either the observed or simulated data, and it will match them up. I'm not going to apply time zones on this since they're just daily values. So I go ahead and plot the data, which has now been joined together, and using this plot I can go in and see different time periods and the streamflow values at those different time periods. Once I'm satisfied with that, I can go ahead and download the data that I've merged in the form of a CSV. And so it will just format it in the way that is needed when we go on to the next step and do an analysis.